Tell me honestly, have you ever wondered how an English conversation at the airport really sounds? In this video, you will hear a complete English conversation at the airport, from arrival, finding a hotel, and even starting a work at a new office. So stay with us till the end and challenge yourself to listen and repeat the sentences. You will be surprised how quickly your English improves. So without further delay, let's get into the video.
Good afternoon. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for work. I got a job at a company here.
Which company are you joining?
I am joining ABC Company. It is in the city.
How long are you planning to stay?
I am planning to stay for 1 year.
Where will you be staying?
I will be staying at Sunrise Hotel for now. Later, I will find a flat.
Do you have all your documents with you?
Yes, I have my offer letter, visa papers, and all other documents.
Very good. Everything is fine. Welcome and enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello? Do you need any help?
Yes, please. Where can I get a taxi?
Sure. Just go straight and then turn left. You will see the taxi stand there.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good evening.
You too.
Hello? Where would you like to go?
Hi. Can you take me to Sunrise Hotel, please?
Sure. Please get in.
Thank you.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I am a little nervous, actually.
Don't worry. After a few days, you will feel comfortable.
I hope so. This is also my first time traveling alone.
Really? You will be fine. Just take it one day at a time.
Thank you. That makes me feel better. How long will it take to reach?
Around 30 minutes. Traffic is okay today.
Okay, good. And how much will it cost?
Around $25.
That is fine, no problem.
So, are you here for work or studies?
For work. I am starting a new job tomorrow.
Oh, nice. Which company?
ABC Company.
That is a good company. You are lucky.
Yes, I am very excited to start.
Okay, we have reached. This is Sunrise Hotel.
Oh, already! Thank you so much. Please keep the change.
Thank you. All the best for your new job.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Good evening. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. How may I assist you?
Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Sarah.
Let me check that for you. Yes, I see your booking. May I have your ID, please?
Of course. Here is my passport.
Thank you. And how many nights will you be staying with us?
3 nights for now. I might extend my stay later.
Certainly. That won't be a problem. We'll be happy to extend it for you. Your room number is 305.
Thank you. Does the room include Wi-Fi?
Yes, complimentary Wi-Fi is available. The password is printed on your keycard holder.
Perfect. And what time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. on the second floor.
That's great. Could you please help me with my luggage?
Of course I'll assist you. Please come with me.
Sure.
Here we are. This is your room. I hope you find everything comfortable.
It looks wonderful. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome. If you need anything at all, feel free to contact reception anytime. Enjoy your stay.
Hello. This is Sarah in room 305. Could I please get a bottle of water?
Good evening, Miss Sarah. Certainly. I'll bring it to your room right away.
Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure.
Good morning. I don't think we've met before. Are you new here?
Good morning. Yes, I arrived last night. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Peter. Where are you from?
Nice to meet you too, Peter. I'm from India, Chennai. How about you?
I'm from India as well, from Bangalore. Small world.
That's wonderful. It's nice to meet someone from home. Are you here for work?
Yes, I've been working here for about 6 months now. It gets easier with time.
That's reassuring to hear. I'm starting my new job today, so I'm a bit nervous.
That's completely normal. Just be yourself, you'll do great.
Thank you, Peter. That really means a lot.
Anytime. And if you need any help or tips about the city, feel free to ask.
I really appreciate that. I'll definitely reach out. Thanks again.
Good morning. You must be Sarah. I'm James, the team manager.
Good morning, James. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Welcome to the team. How was your journey?
Thank you. It was quite a long flight, but everything went smoothly. I'm feeling much better now.
That's good to hear. I hope you had some time to rest after you arrived.
Yes, I did. I stayed at a hotel nearby and managed to relax a bit.
Perfect. Starting fresh on the first day always helps. Are you excited?
Yes, I am. A little nervous too, but mostly excited.
That's completely normal. Everyone feels that way on their first day. You'll settle in very quickly.
I hope so. I'm really looking forward to learning and contributing.
That's a great mindset to have. Let me give you a quick overview of your role and what we do here.
That would be very helpful. Thank you.
Our team mainly works on project coordination and client communication. You'll be assisting with reports, emails, and some basic analysis to start with.
That sounds interesting. I'm eager to get started.
Good to hear. Don't worry, we'll take it step by step. Today, I'll assign you a small task so you can understand our workflow.
That sounds perfect. Please feel free to guide me if I make any mistakes.
Of course. Making mistakes is part of learning, so don't hesitate to ask questions.
Thank you. That makes me feel more comfortable.
Also, we usually have a short team meeting every morning. You can just observe for the first few days.
That's great. It will help me understand how everything works.
Exactly. And by the end of the week, you'll already feel much more confident.
I'm really looking forward to that.
One more thing, if you ever feel unsure about anything, just come and talk to me. My door is always open.
I really appreciate that, James. It means a lot, especially since I'm new here.
You're most welcome, Sarah. We're happy to have you with us.
Thank you so much. I'll do my best.
Great. Let's get you started with your first task.
Yes, I'm ready. Let's begin.
Alright, learners. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. Also, let me know which type of conversation you would like to hear in the next video. Thanks for watching.